guys, welcome back to another video. So we have Slush Puppies. It's the fizzy version and it's got no slush in it. So we're going to try these. So let's get them up here and try them. Okay guys, so let's give them a try. This one's blue raspberry flavour. So anyway, I kind of remember what they taste like. But let's try them in the non-slushy form. Very potent smell of blue raspberry. That's nice. Yeah, it does have the resemblance. As I say, just if you put a bit of broken ice in there, really nice. I always remember liking the blue raspberry flavour as a kid. And there's the strawberry, which is spelt at the end with an IE at the end. Double R-I-E. I remember I always used to get the red one when they run out of the blue. Yeah. I think it does resemble it. Right. So where's it from? So they are. Sorry. So it's in Dublin. But the company who own it, I think they're in Texas, USA. So they own the trademark of Slush Puppie. So you can tell it's in the UK because obviously the pound symbol on the top there. Yeah, these are alright. They're not bad. I like that one's really nice. That's my favourite. But yeah, that is. Those are very nice. So I would say they were probably. I'll give them about. The blue one definitely about 8.5, 9. Strawberry one 7. So anyway, cheers guys, and I'll see you in the next one.